Ate, what are you listening to po?
I'm listening to Galing Biuwenyo BU Station ID.
Bicol University. College of Social Sciences and Philosophy. What more? Psychology.
The BS Psychology program was first conceptualized in September 2011 when the former Dean Dr. Nomi Ibo appointed Dr. Ruja A. Realos, the present department chair, to make a feasibility study for the proposed BS Psychology program assisted by Dr. Salvacion Villaferte. Then in 2016, our Dean, Attorney Alex Nepomuceno, revived the proposed program, appointing Dr. Ruja A. Realos to be the lead proponent for the proposed BS Psychology program for Bicol University, together with Dr. Salvacion Villaferte and Dr. Cipronio Belardo as members of the committee. The Psychology Department is ever committed to the helping profession to train and produce assiduous psychologists, counselors, psychometricians, and mental health professionals who would be change agents in responding to the needs of our society.
Uy, Nikki, andun pala kayo. Uy, hi, Anyan! Anong ginagawa niyo dyan? Eto, nagpapalipas oras. Grabe, ang hirap talaga mag-quiz. Same, ang hirap. Girl, nakakaloko yung quiz namin kanina. Hirap talaga ng psych din pala kayo. Eh, bakit kayo nag-psych?
Ako? Nag-psych ako kasi gusto kong i-extend ang servisyong mental health para maging panlahat. Kasi para sa akin, to serve the people is to take care of the masses. At nakakatuwang isipin na ipufulfill ko yan sa ng mag-aaral ng psych.
So, kamusta kayo ngayon? Okay naman bang experiences niyo sa college so far?
Surprisingly, okay naman siya. Nakakapagod din minsan, but being a psychology student is very fulfilling for me. Marami akong natututunan, hindi lamang sa mga prof, but also sa mga friends and blockmates din. And nakakatuwa rin na marami na din kasi akong memorable experiences here sa BU.
I feel you, P, especially nung first hataw ko, such a core experience.
True, I also had the goal na maging Dean's Lister and thankfully na-achieve ko naman siya.
Wow, congrats! Ako rin, I also had that dream to be a Dean's Lister. Hey, ikaw, Lovelyn, what's your goal as a college student?
Yung goal ko as a student, syempre, natural na dyan yung parang gusto ko rin maging Dean's Lister or gusto ko rin maging President's Lister. But aside from that, as a student pa lang, given naman na gusto ko mag-serve after I graduate. Pero as a student parang, I want to join orgs na may same vision and advocacy as I do para makapag-give back na rin ako kasi I owe it to the people. Kaya ako nandito ngayon, taking psychology in this university.
I see. So we share the same goals naman pala. I think personally, psychology is really interesting, especially now we're really trying to balance our academics and social life. Given na psychology tayo, marami tayong readings, and then of course, may math tayo, hindi natin may iwasan na mahirapan or madrain sa ating studies. But then again, at the end of the day, I know naman na we are going to achieve what we want, and we are going to be there for our people to serve and to lead by example.
As a university that educates, that innovates, and that elevates its students. It educates not only the privileged ones, but also the underprivileged ones. It innovates students to become the better versions of themselves and produce them to become a more transformative leaders and catalysts of change. And at the same time, it elevates the students to become more accepting, more embracing,